What's up, guys? The reason I am out here because I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I was looking at the likes. I never got a single like. What are you guys doing? But I'm gonna give a shout out to my fans. I love me. So there's Uncle. Here's Uncle. Yeah. So first shout out is Maddie Raps. He's so cute. I want to date him. Second shout out is to the hashtag sisters. DK Gang, Jordan Jones, Oriando, Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez. I love you so much. I love this. Someone is saying it ain't me. Nah, 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 nah. You need the like, whoa, it ain't me. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, Cindy. Yeah. We're in the dark. So, we have a surprise you guys. My brother in the background. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. You know it's having this thing. Fabrics. So here's my brother. He loves Matt to be an hashtag sister. He just woke up, by the way. I want to get it to 50,000 likes, 10,000 likes, and 50 subscribers. I'm gonna give a shout out to the DK Gang too. Maddie B, hashtag sisters. Yes, and a whole shout out to my daddy, Kevin, Tia, Joseph, Auntie Candy, Nikisha, stuff like that. So, we're just waiting for the surprise. I have the surprise in my hand. You guys don't know what it is. Uncle, ready to do it? Yeah. Ask Uncle Chris if you have a lighter.
I have it.
You have a lighter? So guys, we need to hold someone to hold the camera. There's my uncle.
Come on.
Okay, here's the fireworks. Yes! So the surprises. We have my brother.
The lighter on, the thing on. The light, you have a lighter supposed to be on. It's
Well,
on?
we can see it, we just light it.
You seen it dark, the light's supposed to be on.
You can see it in the daylight. Okay, so the surprise is coming up just now. Guys don't know what it is. One for me. Two for me? Or one? Uncle, keep it on the ground.
Alright, hold it to him. Hold it to him.
Game and one.
Give me my...
Who should hear this? This is a surprise. So this is my shout out fan surprise. Ah! Yeah, Saturday!
Uncle is looking like it's going to burst.
There's my brother's home. Here's mine. It's on light. We have more! I didn't touch it already. That's not pretty. There's more on the loose. There's more on the loose. One for me. One for... Give me one. Uncle! So...
Try that on mine. Oh, yes, that's on top of the board. So why that thing so?
Okay.
Hey, we have more.
But guys, we still have more. Oh, I'm gonna play no shit. I ain't gonna play no shit. Look at smoke in the air. I don't know if you guys can see it already. Woo! There's my version.
Go touch that girl.
Look, you can't. There's something in the background.
That's phone. Dead.
It's finished. Yes! Here's more.
Uncle throw mine quite up in the air.
Right, Uncle, throw your own quite up in here. Say it on. Woo! Uncle, this one ain't light. You ain't like this one. Watch. You ain't like it. So here's my birdie zone.
Balai.
Woo! There's mine, there's mine, there's mine. Okay, that one's gonna finish. So it's coming to this one.
That mine.
No, that is mine. This one is mine.
The customs and them must be up. You went by them and now you are sleeping. Uncle,
Woo! Send it up in the air!
Okay, let me take it now.
Oh yeah, Uncle, let me take it. We'll pick it up on the ground.
I afraid of sparkle on me.
Here, hold it.
Sparkle on
Hold
me.
it. I got hold too.
No.
You call?
Uncle, it got burn, man.
No.
Hey,
How
now.
them put in?
I like them one.
Eh.
What? Stop coming closer, my soul. Out. Right.
Uncle, throw it up in the air. Happy New Year! Woo! Uncle, do not light all. Uncle, I want that. Yeah, you turn.
God.
Hold it.
Hold it now. Turn burn here.
Watch me.
Hold up.
Give me now.
I ain't gonna
Give me.
Uncle, die all?
Yeah, what's it?
No one sparkle on me now there now. Hold it. It's coming to the end now.
Kaya mo?
That's all. Uncle, you sure that's all? Yes,
Are all you ready?
so subscribe, like. Yeah, what do you have to say? Say, give them a shout out to Madby and the Hashtag Sisters.
Bye.
Say bye, Hashtag Sisters, my Madby.
Bye, Panty.